Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're discussing a topic that affects businesses and individuals alike: contract disputes. Contracts are at the heart of business and personal agreements. They set out the rights and obligations of all parties involved, creating certainty and trust. But what happens when one party doesn't uphold their end of the bargain? That's when disputes arise, and resolving them can be complex, stressful, and time-consuming. So, what is the exact nature of a contract dispute? At its core, it occurs when one party believes that another has failed to perform their obligations under a contract. This could be anything from not delivering goods or services on time, providing substandard work, refusing to pay, or breaching a key term of the agreement. Essentially, it's when expectations set out in the contract are not met, and one party suffers a loss as a result. Disputes can arise in almost any sector: commercial contracts, construction projects, professional services, property agreements, or even between shareholders in a private company. The common thread is that the affected party wants the issue resolved and their rights protected. Imagine you run a business supplying catering services for corporate events. You've signed a contract with a client for a series of events throughout the year. The client cancels several events at short notice and refuses to pay for the costs already incurred. This creates a dispute. You've fulfilled part of your obligations, yet the client's actions have caused financial loss. Contract disputes often begin with communication, usually informal attempts to resolve the matter. Sometimes, a simple discussion or a solicitor's letter reminding the other party of their obligations is enough to reach an agreement. But when informal approaches fail, more formal legal steps may be necessary. Legal remedies for contract disputes are varied. The most common is a claim for damages, financial compensation designed to put the injured party in the position they would have been in if the contract had been properly performed. In certain cases, courts may also grant an order for specific performance, compelling a party to carry out their contractual obligations. Injunctions can be used in some scenarios to prevent further breaches. Alternative dispute resolution methods, such as negotiation, mediation, or arbitration, are increasingly popular. They can be faster, less expensive, and more flexible than court proceedings. These approaches are particularly useful when parties want to preserve an ongoing business relationship rather than enter protracted litigation. At Blackstone Solicitors, we assist clients at every stage of a contract dispute. We start by reviewing the contract carefully, assessing your legal position, and advising on the most effective strategy. Sometimes early intervention can prevent a dispute from escalating into costly litigation. When court action is necessary, our team prepares strong, evidence-based claims to achieve the best possible outcome. It's important to remember that clear, well-drafted contracts are often the best defense against disputes. Including precise terms on obligations, timelines, payment, and remedies reduces ambiguity and makes it easier to enforce rights if problems arise. In short, contract disputes occur when one party fails to meet their contractual obligations, leading to potential financial or practical losses. Resolving these disputes can involve negotiation, formal legal proceedings, or a combination of both. The key is acting promptly, understanding your rights, and having expert legal support on your side. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help businesses and individuals resolve contract disputes efficiently and effectively, protecting your interests while guiding you through what can often be a complex process. If you're facing a dispute or simply want to ensure your contracts are robust and enforceable, contact our team today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.